Welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today's topic is how to install and configure CSF on Oracle Linux. CSF stands for ConfigServer Security and Firewall. It's completely free and open source. CSF includes security features like login, intrusion, flood detection. It's also have UI integration for cPanel, DirectAdmin and Webmin. Please ensure the following packages are installed in your system. Let's check the operating system version. I am using Oracle Linux Server 8.4. Now install the following packages. Installation completed. Now change the directory. Now we need to download the CSF packages. Go to the official website and download it. Type the command. Downloading completed. Now extract the packages. Type the command. Package extracted. Enter to the CSF directory. Next, we need to start the installation. Type the command. Installation completed. Next, we need to check the supporting packages are installed or not. Type the command. Press enter. Next, we need to disable the firewall D and enable the CSF service. Type the command. Next, disable the firewall. Type the command. Next, we need to configure the CSF. Go to the configuration file. Type the command. Now go to the login failure daemon line. Read this line. LFT will not start while this is enabled. So we need to disable this. For the LFT running, change 1 to 0. See these lines? These are the incoming and outgoing ports of the server. You can configure it here. Just save and exit. Now start the CSF and directory services, type the command. Now enable the service. Check the services are running, type the command. Both are active. Now check the version, type the command. We are using CSF version 14.15. Successfully we are configured the CSF firewall. To list the firewall rules, type the command.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, stay tuned to www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.